For one of the most common health conditions in the world, it's actually one of the most misunderstood. So how many of you actually know what type 2 diabetes actually is? I'm going to explain briefly, just in simple terms for you. So essentially what type 2 diabetes is, it's a condition in which your body is unable to manage the glucose levels within your bloodstream. The reason being is the body naturally produces a hormone called insulin. In type 2 diabetes, the body is either not producing enough insulin or the body is not using it efficiently, which is something known as insulin resistance. This leads to high levels of glucose and sugar in your bloodstream, which can actually cause low levels of energy. It can actually damage your organs and can also affect your overall health in general. Common symptoms are things such as being excessively thirsty, needing to go to the toilet to pee more, blurred vision, amongst others. However, a lot of people don't actually experience symptoms. Like when I was diagnosed 4 months ago, I had literally no symptoms that were prevalent, but I knew that I was at risk of it for other reasons, which I'll talk about in another post. Now, the good news is it can be managed. It can be managed using medication, which I know a lot of people do use. You got medical support, which in some countries isn't great, or the support you get is not great. But the biggest thing that I found is that making structured, consistent lifestyle changes actually does have a positive impact. It's definitely worked for me in the 4 months, as my HbA1c has come down quite significantly already. Now, if you're in a situation where you're being diagnosed, or you're being classed as diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, or being classed as pre-diabetic, make sure to give us a follow. I've got something exciting coming up very soon, which is going to be helping people to support and manage their type 2 diabetes, and also look to get them on the path to reversing their diagnosis as well, which is something that many people don't realize they can do. So make sure to give us a follow, because trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one.